I think that's right. Is it going? Something going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at her. She's already like...
Oh no! Watch out!
Run after the cat. Run after the cat.
You missed the cat. You missed that. That was so good. The cat skidded right across the whole kitchen as soon as it hit the tile. Right on its ass.
Okay, the next step.
Give me this camera. I'm gonna do this because you missed the greatest part. No, I filmed it. Okay, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Okay, ready? Here comes the cat. It's going in the bathroom. No, wait. Let it in. Okay.
Get it on the top. Get on the top of the thing. Keep it shut, brother.
Let her out. Let her out. Watch it squirm. You fell into the wall? Oh.
Where is the kitty cat?
Close the door when we're in there.
Okay.
No, because it's funny when he comes out because you hit the... Look at all the... Oh, it smokes.
Round two.
Okay, let's go. This is hilarious. Close the door though.
Okay.